I'm Dangerous Dan with Dan's Drivers. I've been working on old vehicles now for over 50 years. I had several years at working with my grandfather on the old Nash and so on out in the fields, and worked my way up to many different vehicles over the years. Was in the wheel and tire business for some 30 years. And after all this time and finally retiring, I've decided that I'd like to share a few of my projects with a few new friends. So if you'll follow us and see what we're up to, maybe you'll find something you haven't seen before, or we'll have an old trick we can show you that you've forgotten or were unfamiliar with. Let me show you a few of the projects I've got going on now. I hope some of them will interest you. As you're watching our videos, we're hoping that you'll discover some new ways and tricks on getting an old car like this running and back on the road to where it's a nice driver and something that you can enjoy on a daily basis. We'll be doing a lot of these projects, and we hope that you'll stay tuned with us to see some of the different vehicles that we'll be working on. As we're going through this short video here, we're going to be going over a lot of little tips on how to get a car like this to be a driver. This one, for instance, will be showing how to do a floor repair, not to show quality, but to a real nice driver quality that'll last a long time. Got a lot of interesting vehicles out here. This is just one of them that we'll be working on, and more to come. The first car we looked at there was a 1966 Caprice, which we'll be doing some extensive work on. This one is a 1966 Impala SS convertible. I've owned this car now for 25 years. It's been restored to the point of winning a few trophies, and now it's time to go over it again. So we'll be doing some more work on this one and bringing this one back to life, putting her back on the road. Can't wait to drive this one again. Boy, she's a lot of fun. Here at Dan's Drivers, we're going to try to bring a very diverse selection of vehicles that we'll be working on. If you can work on a Chevy, you can work on most anything. This happens to be a 1981 Rolls-Royce Silver Spirit. We're going to be doing some work on this one here and getting this back on the road so somebody can cruise around in luxury. And then, if you don't feel like cruising in luxury, well, maybe we'll do a little work on this ATV we've got over here, because that needs a little help as well. Whether those questions be about a Rolls-Royce, Honda Rancher ES 350, or a 1946 Chevy truck, do our best to answer any questions you may have on your vehicle and your projects. Or if you have a question on one of the ones that we're working on, just shoot us up in the comments below and we'll get right back to you. We hope as you follow us on different restorations like this 63 Ford Army truck we did, that you'll get some new inspiration, some new ideas. And if you have any questions, no matter how obscure they are, please contact us and I'll do my best to have or find the right answer for you. In conclusion, follow and don't forget, keep them running.